Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make infused oils, which are a good alternative for essential oils. And infused oils, you can make them in the house. You can choose to make them with either spices, vegetable, or even flowers. So in today's video, I'm going to show you particularly the oil that I had made 2 weeks ago, and this is clove oil. Maybe I can give it a stir so that you're able to see. This is how it is. And the good thing with this kind of oil, it has very good aroma. Oh my gosh, it is very it has, I wish you could smell this. The aroma is just fantastic. So this particular oil, you can use it for so many things. You can use it for massage. You can use it for a bath. If you want to have a bath, you can use it for kids. You can use it, the best and very commonly used for a toothache. If you have a toothache, you can just dip probably, even a cloth or something, and then you put it in the particular teeth that aches, and it works like magic. So I'm going to show you how to do this particular oil. So let's get into the kitchen. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can drain the oil from the particles from that, so that we can put it now in a bottle like so, in a bottle like this kind of bottle. So what you need to do, you need to stir it a bit, so like this, and then we'll just drain it and sieve it like so. Because these are crushed cloves, you don't have to worry much, because they're not like powder completely. So yeah, that's it. And then now you just have to do that, and you pour. Sorry guys. So there we go, we have our oil. If you can see, it has like those small particles, but it's very good for applying even in the night. If you want to apply on your body, it's really good. So these are the products that you need to make the clove oil. You need whole cloves, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves. You need olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You need a mason jar, and you need this, and you need a pestle and mortar, because we're going to crush the cloves. So what we're going to do next is put the oil inside here. Depending with the amount that you want to make the oil, like for me that's enough. And then I'll take the cloves and crush them. So I'll just put them here. We don't want them to be in powder form, just to crush them a little bit. You can do this if you have a grinder as well, but I just use this because this is what I have in the house. This is going to help you to get the best aroma of the cloves once you infuse them in the oil. So this is how you want the cloves to look. Let me give you an up close. So like so, see? And then now we're going to put the cloves inside the oil. and put them like so. The aroma is so good. And the benefits of clove, there are so many benefits of clove. What I like about this spice is you can use it in the house all round. For massage, you can use it for toothache. That is very crucial, and it works like magic. So it's very useful in the house. You can use it for a bath. You put a few drops. You can use it to remove your makeup. You can use it to do a lot of things in the house. So it's very, very important to have it. So once you have mixed that, we are going to close this. I'm going to keep this for like 10 to 15 days. I'll just keep stirring every other day, like after 2 days, and smell the aroma. If it's good enough, then I'll just have it like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you in our next video, and thanks for watching.